Zainab?
All right, George Kieru there having a conversation with Gideon Kibet, also known as Kibet Bull. He says he cannot reveal much information about his ordeal at the hands of his tormentors. However, he's still going to take a step back from being on social media. However, we will be getting more information on really what transpired as the days go by. But hand in hand with that, he has been freed and once he was freed, he contacted his family a few hours ago saying he is safe and sound. His release coming a few hours after his younger brother, Ronnie Kibet, who was also missing, was found alive in Machakos. NTV reached out to his mother as well, who elatedly confirmed his son's release. Ruth Sarmoichesenge has more details on that.
Caroline Mutai could not hide her joy following the news of the release of her two sons. Speaking to NTV on phone, the mother of Ronnie Kiplagat and cartoonist Gideon Kibet, alias Kibet Bull, confirmed that she had been contacted by Kibet, whose whereabouts were unknown for the better part of the day.
Kibet amepatikana?
Caroline's confirmation comes a few hours after Kibet shared a post on Twitter announcing his release. Kibet stated, and I quote, "They dropped me in Luanda, Vihiga at 3 to 4 a.m. leo. Sikuwa najua where to enter or book a room. Kidogo, form ya disco matanga came in, danced mpaka 6 a.m. when I went to book a ticket." Earlier in the day, NTV visited Kibet's home in Sangawet village in Kuresoi South, where his mom recounted how the past few days have been harrowing for the family.
Nilikuwa nikilia. Wengine wanasherehekea ninalia. Kabisa. Nilikuwa nikilia. Ninasoma Biblia. Ninaambia Mungu hani karibu nilalamike. Paka saa hii, si ulipata Bible kwa meza. Nilikuwa nikiketi ninaambia Mungu, unisamee kama nimekosa. Mmenipa watoto na nimebarikiwa. Sasa ni nini?
At around 10 a.m., Caroline explained being called by a new number, and later the caller on the other end identified himself as her son Ronnie.
Aliniambia mama ni mimi Ronnie, hivyo tu. Aliniambia mama mimi ni Ronnie. Sasa saa hiyo hata nililia nikifurahia. Sasa nikafurahia kabisa.
Her efforts to extract more information about her son's well-being were not successful because Ronnie was not able to speak to her. She then spoke to his friend who confirmed being with her son.
Sasa mpaka saa hii hatujaongea naye. Aliniambia wako kanisa, sijui kanisa ya SDA saa hii wako huko.
Kibet was abducted on 24th December last year, 3 days before he was expected to travel to Israel after securing a scholarship to study a master's in agricultural engineering. His brother Ronnie, on the other hand, was abducted on 21st December.
Sasa aliniambia nitafutie tu tuseme aeroplane tickets ya kupita. Sasa nikangangania kabisa kupata hizo pesa. 100. Na 100 na pocket money. Sasa sikuwa nazo, nilikuwa nimeamba mtu alafu turudishe na interest.
Following his release, his mother plans to reach out to the school to confirm whether his scholarship is secured.
Lakini bado nilikuwa nikisema Kibet akipatikana ndio tuongee na shule aendelee na hiyo masomo yake ya Israel.
Additionally, Carol says she will hold a feast to celebrate the finding of her son.
Yani hata ninashindwa juu nitachinja ng'ombe sijui. Ninasema tu wawili wafike. Sio hata Ronnie peke yake. Wao tu wawili wafike. Nitasherehekea kabisa. Kupoteza watoto wawili ni ngumu. Si ndio? Sasa once na hiyo ni tekemeo. Nilikuwa hata tulikuwa na mpango sitakuwa na stress ya kukatakata mboga. Nikaanza biashara nyingine.
Ruth Sarmoichesenge, NTV.